Well, today I'm going to look into removing this workbench out of my garage, and obviously to clean up this mess. Over here we have a lot of microfiber towels, vacuum cleaner, detailing equipment, automotive, specialized tools here, and this horizontal space just gets accumulated with lots of stuff. So we're going to eliminate this altogether and make it go away. We're going to replace that workbench with this roll around cart from Harbor Freight, and also hopefully move all of these detailing items to a new spot. But in review, the goal is to eliminate this horizontal space because stuff just gets piled up there. It's kind of a cleaning trick so you don't store stuff and be more efficient. And also to move that workbench over to this space over here. Overall, talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.